I want everyone to help is to create this world to become better, healthy living world, because my vision is I want to see everyone in this world live longer, healthier and happier. As a CEO of BDMS Wellness Clinic, my vision for myself and my team is to improving the quality of life of Thai people, actually for people around the world. Nowadays, Thailand facing two major challenges. Firstly is the aging society. People around the world is aging more and more. When I said age society, it means people who age 60 and above. Age society is coming very fast. Totally around the world is around 16 to 17%. But in Thailand, we face bigger issue. This year, Thailand become age society. It means people who age 60 and above is around 20%. Moreover, in 2031, we will become super age society. It means people who age 60 and above is around 28%. It's going to impact a lot in every dimension to the country: economics, healthcare, environment, and sustainable. That's the big issue. Secondly, everyone ever hear about NCD, or we call non-communicable diseases. That's a big challenge for the wellness world, because in Thailand, the number of people who die from NCD last year is around 77%. It's very high. 380,000 people die per year in this country, or is equal to 44 deaths per hour. NCD have a lot of disease. Mostly it's come from your bad lifestyle. It's come from environment sometimes, it's come from your genetics sometimes, but your lifestyle change can save this disease a lot. So NCD have many diseases like stroke, cardiovascular, diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, cancer. The big issue is obesity that I'm going to talk about a lot. Obesity in Thailand, we are number one in Asian country already about the obese people, and more problems coming a lot nowadays is the chronic stress or mentally disease. So all the NCD is another impact come after age society. So that's why the wellness become more and more popular. Talking about is a trend, but for myself it's not a new trend. It's something that we have to stick together and fight for the better world, to make people live healthier in the future. So that's why BDMS want to be the part of the new ecosystem to create the healthy aging society, because I believe prevention is better than cure. As a BDMS, we are more than 50 years company. At first, we spend a lot of technologies and investment on research and laboratory and all biomolecular molecule to help people from sickness. So I want to highlight a little bit what is wellness and what is sickness. If you imagine, in the past until now, many people waiting until you get sick. You go to my hospital, other hospitals, every hospital to see the doctors and nurse and healthcare practitioner to treatment and give you a disease or medicine. So we call the sick care model. It means you have to waiting until you get sick and come to see doctor. Wellness is something is different because we pay attention a lot in preventive medicine. It means you don't have to wait until you get sick. So wellness is something like preventive, or sometimes we call early detection, because when you're going to get sick, it's going to be better if you know it early than it's come very, very in the advanced stage. So preventive medicine nowadays can do a lot of things. And the doctor can be your personal coach or personal advisor. And we need patients to be more participate, not only get the medicine and go back home. You have to do as we recommend, as we guide you. So we bring the technologies nowadays to check one human body a lot more compared to the past. Now you can check a lot of things like your hormones, your andropause, your menopause, or even if you are stressed, I can check your stress level, how deep of your sleep, or you ever heard about genetic tests? Now we have whole genome exome, the genetic test, so that's why we can predict our future and we can know what is the risk that stays silent in our body. So if you know you have this cancer, lung cancer risk, you have to quit smoking. If you have the liver cancer, you should stop drinking, something like that. Or if you have diabetics, you have to cut bubble tea or something like that, less and less. So genetic result, genetic test help doctor, preventive doctor a lot for planning the future or healthy lifestyle. For the wellness, healthcare is not only the doctor anymore. You need a doctor, you need dietitian team, you need a trainer for your sport, you need a mental psychologist for your mental health, you need a sleep expert, and you need a lot of things to coming to helping you to do lifestyle modification. And trust me, if you change your lifestyle, you can prevent almost NCD problem. So that's why BDMS just want to be one part of this to support the world, not only Thailand, to become healthier world. When you're asking about the wellness, I have to show how big of wellness industry in the world. Because when we talk about something, we have to take a look into the philosophy, the vision, the detail, and the market size. The number from Global Wellness Institute or GWI, this year is around 5 trillion US dollar nowadays. And they project in 2027, just 3 years in the future, the market size of the economy of wellness will rise to 8.5 trillion US dollar. So the wellness economy will grow about 8.6% every year, very high. Some of the industry in the wellness will grow more than 10, like wellness real estate. Secondly, that growth around 16% is the wellness tourism. Here's come for the opportunity for our country. Wellness tourism in the past 2019, Thailand ranked number 7 in the world in the business of wellness tourism. This year, we dropped down to number 15 in the world. But I believe we can go back to top 10 or even, if you're asking me, my dream is I want to be part of the Thailand team to drive our country to become top 5 of wellness tourism, or we call Wellness Hub Thailand project. The government said this, the public, private, everyone must help if we want to stay into that rank. Because to make Thailand become wellness destination of the world, it's not just only Dr. M team. It's going to be everyone who listen to us now. Because in wellness economy, it's not just only medicine. Myself, we call ourselves in the sector of scientific wellness, or we call medical wellness. Checking a lot of things, planning, and they check the blood, and they plan, and they do, and they need the holistic health care. But they need more. They still need healthy living, right? Healthy resident, healthy hotel, healthy bungalow, anything you can create this. Like I said, we need support from everyone in the country to create this country to become world premier wellness destination of the world. So that's one thing that my dream, my vision, and my effort that I put it in, I want to drive the country into that way. The challenge when we're working in the wellness industry or moving people to more health concern is have many dimensions. Start from personal, very small scale, like yourself, myself. Now we have a lot of information coming from social media. For example, in the morning, everyone is sending a lot of tips and health tips and a lot of things. Some is good, some is fake. So we don't have the government or organization to help us clarify and tell people that what is the real information who are scientific based or evidence based. This is something that very challenge to me and my team, because sometimes people listen to this and they follow and they create a lot of effect and step up to the big picture that challenge me, and I think it's challenge everyone in the world, is a global warming. Nowadays we not call global warming, we have to call global boiling. It's boiling already. It's gonna pass 1.5 degrees Celsius for sure in very, very soon. And I believe if everyone not helping, it's gonna touch 2 Celsius degree. Many people ask me, what different or what important of 1 or 2 degrees Celsius global warming? I just want to bring you to imagine if the world are us, human, okay? How many degrees Celsius of your temperature? 37, right? If you have temperature 39, you have very high fever. Or more than 39, you can be die. You can have a lot of risk from high temperature. So that's why if you imagine this world is us, 1 or 2 degrees Celsius, it means a lot. The world cannot tolerate something like that. So when the global warming is create a lot of things in healthcare industry. For example, heat stroke, dehydrate, right? When the global warming, the climate change, you have more fire in the wild, you have more PM 2.5, you have more waters, contaminated water, you have the waterborne disease like cholera or diarrhea, or sometimes you have more mosquito, weird mosquito, coming to have the Zika virus, malaria, dengue, and create many people around the world. When we heard about global warming, we have more stress. So mental health, physical health, brain health affect a lot from global warming. So that's why when we're talking about wellness, us, wellness family, wellness country, wellness world, we have to save the world. If not, if we're healthy and we don't have the world, our son, children don't have the world to live, how important that we're gonna healthy forward, because we don't have home. So this is the things that I summarize everything. And I'm gonna end my session with everything that I want everyone to help is to create this world to become a better, healthy living world. Because my vision is I want to see everyone in this world live longer, healthier, and happier. Thank you.